Uh, this is the M-Net converter, PAC-SJ95MA-E. I will tell you how to install this M-Net converter. Okay, so when you receive this box, you will the carton, just open this cover. So inside you will have this manual. This is the installation manual, 2-piece, and these parts. So first you have to study what is the model. You need to read what is the model. So here you see the in your project is the PUY-P60 and 60. So both model, the connection is, the installation group is G. You can see here totally A, B, C, D up to G. There is a grouping A, B, C is there. This depends on the model you need to follow. So here you can see this manual. This is the total, what are the parts of the components inside. So you can see total how many plate and the terminal box and the wires. These are all the components included inside. So here you can see the group A for the installation procedure for group A. This is for group A and group B and group B, like this. So you have to follow one by one study. For this one, your model, the PUY-P45 and 60 VKA2 or YKA2, the both model the group G connection. So we have to go to the group G. This is the group Z. Okay, so here these are all the components there. This is the terminal box, the control wire terminal connection part, and this is the wire for that M-Net board to that PCB, outdoor PCB. So these are all the wire. So this is 3-part, and this is the PCB, the M-Net control PCB. This is the M-Net board. This is the address setting switch. You have to give the address setting switch, but you have to give, like, you need to consider indoor. So from 1 to 50 you have to give any number. 0, 1 this outdoor, maybe another, if you have another end outdoor, you have to make it 0, 2, not 50 and 52. Don't make it like a city multi. This is like a indoor unit, indoor. So this is, even you are keeping outdoor, so you have to consider this the indoor number. So make it 0, 1. So next indoor, so next outdoor, when you installing time 0, 2, 0, 3, like this. You have to give different numbers. So for this one, first you have to check the M-Net board for the attachment back hole. First open the outdoor PCB, open the outdoor front cover. Okay, then you can see then outdoor main control board. So the control board, you open the screw, the touch, when you this last end, if you open, no, this, it will go to the back side. The control board back side is the control board back side. So this PCB you have to fix it here. This 4 hole, you see this 4 hole, the control board, outdoor control board back side, the 4 hole. So these 2 4 corner you have to fix it. So then you have to use lead wire A to the connect to the M-Net board CN5 and to the M-Net board of the outdoor controller. The outdoor, there is a CN-MNT port will be there. For the indoor, there is a CN5. You see, this is the CN5. The wire you should have to use the lead wire A. Lead wire A. You can see which one is lead wire A. This is the lead wire, the red color. So red color. This is the wire. This is the wire, red color. The INV. It's written INV. Okay. So you connect it CN5 in the in the M-Net board. So like this, you need to install in the outdoor PCB backside, and this one it will go to the outdoor control board front. The wiring you have to arrange it. And the second one, the use lead wire C in the CND of M-Net board and to the CNV-MNT of outdoor control board. CND, the lead wire C, you can see here lead wire C is here. This is the 3-core wire. So 3-core wire. So this is the lead wire C. So you have to connect here CND of M-Net board. CND. Yes, this is the CND. You have to plug it here. And another end, it will go to the outdoor control board, the port number CNV-MNT. Okay, so this is the two. Okay, so this this 2 port is finished, and another one last. Use lead wire D, the CN2M of M-Net board, the lead wire D. So check the lead wire D, which one. So this is the 2-core wire. So this is the lead wire D. Okay. So lead wire D, it will go to the CN2M. This is the CN2M. You can see here. Okay, so this is, you need to plug it. So this one, this another end, it will go to the terminal block. This is the terminal block. You have to this terminal block you need to install in outdoor near to the centralized controller terminal. No, there is near to the PCB down the power supply terminal. There is another ear port will be there in the outdoor front side. So you have to fix it this screw for the terminal box, and this wire you have to give to here ABS, and first 2 port you have to give to one, give another here, and third is for the earthing, the S. So leave it that one. So you need to connect it here. So that's it. So this 3 wire it will come. This is like this. 2 wire it will go to the outdoor PCB, and this is for the terminal box. And address setting you have to make it from 1 to 50, any number, but it should be different. Okay.